Okay, now we are going to solve or to evaluate the log given. Okay, how to evaluate the log given. So I'm going to use the question product question rules to solve it. So log 1 over minus log 100. This log 1 also can be written log 10 power of 0, and log 100 also log 10 power of 2. Okay, why log 10 power of 0? The basic rules of log is anything power of 0, it gives you value of 1. Okay, so here I can using the base, so I have 0, log 10 and log 10 are same, so 0 minus 2, it will become negative 2. So the value for the log 1 over 100 will be negative 2. I'm calculating or evaluating it without using the calculator. If you want, you can recheck your answer using calculator. Okay, now let's see the second question to evaluate the value. Okay, if I can see all the logs base are not same. Okay, so what I can do is try to arrange them to look in the same base. Okay, so 8 is 2 power of 3. Log 5, 1 to 5 is 5 power of 3 plus log 3 is 3 power of 4. 3 power of 4 is 81. So I can bring the log in front so that I have 2 log of 2 minus the 3 in front, it will become 6 log 5 over 5 plus log 3, bring it in front, so it will be 3 power of 3. As we all know, if the log base and the index are same, it will gives you the value of 1. So 1 minus 6 also 1 plus 4 also 1. So the answer will be 3 minus 6 plus 4 is 3 minus 6 is negative 3 plus 4 is negative 1. Sorry, positive 1. Negative 3. Negative 3 we have 4. It means positive 1. So you can see how to evaluate them. So I'm able to calculate the value for the log given by changing all the base to be same so that I can solve them.